Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. I'm Anna, and today we're going to learn how to express encouragement. Have you ever told your friends to keep trying and not to stop? Yeah, sometimes people do need support. Let's look at these phrases. Number 1, keep up the good work. If your friend is doing well and you want him to continue, you just say, keep up the good work. If your friend didn't play well, but you want to support him, you say, that was a nice try. That was a nice try. If your friend keeps practicing and practicing, he keeps trying to do better, and there is a result, a good result, you can say, that's a real improvement. That's a real improvement. If your friend almost succeeded, but he needs a little bit to succeed, to complete something, you can say, you've almost got it. You've almost got it. And sometimes it happens that we do need some push, some support, some phrase. If it's a running competition and your friend is running and he's really tired, you can say, come on, you can do that. If you go to the gym and it takes you a little more to succeed, to complete, to finish your push-ups, you can hear just a little harder, just a little harder. So I hope these phrases will help you to express encouragement and support your friends. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Bye!